What's good, guys? I'm headed to a car meet right now at Buc-ees, the gas station. Yeah, first time really going to a Buc-ees, and yeah, apparently there's like this huge car meet. Reason why the quality is different, my camera was dead. This was kind of like a last minute decision, so the camera was just never, you know, put to charge. But I got my iPhone and then I got my handy cam, so we're gonna see what, I don't know if the video is gonna come out good. I don't know if I end up uploading it. If you guys are watching it, obviously ended up uploading it. But we're just linked up with Kyle Gray and we're headed there right now. Bro, just look at the size of this damn gas station that we're about to pull up on. It's absolutely massive. See the little sign? We're up in Calhoun, North Georgia, by the way. I don't know if there's a lot of people here, but yeah, holy shit, it looks like there's a lot of cars. I've got I think that my thermostat is leaking, so I've got a gallon of distilled water just in case. But yeah, there's definitely a lot of cars here. I feel like the regular people that are here, they probably just so confused as to why there is so many people here. It is so packed. So welded diff.
Yeah, I know.
Guy's talking shit, doesn't know what a welded diff is. He's lying.
That squeak sounds pretty good, doesn't it?
Damn, they've got trailers out here? Look at this. What, he's pulled up in a trailer? Probably gonna be tough for us to find parking here. I have no idea what we're gonna do, but we're definitely gonna walk around. I'm gonna show you guys all the cars. Yeah. What up, man?
Dude, look at this.
Wait, you gotta hit that again. We parked up. Oh, that motherfucker fresh. Say what's up to the vlog.
Hey.
Dapper.
Bye.
See if I'm fucking leaking.
Yo, he's big whoa.
Am I leaking? Oh no, that's a leaf. We're chilling. We're chilling. Let's walk around.
Yeah, let's go this way. I'm liking this way.
Yeah, regular traffic like this, gonna struggle to get gas today. That shit turning you on?
Get my dick hard a little bit. A little
bit.
It's not stanky though.
Kid that's putting this on is probably hyped as fuck. Like, he's probably like, I turned this shit up.
I saw the account and it had like 300 followers.
Yeah.
And I was like, okay, like it's not gonna be that big of me. Like it'd be fun. It's at Buc-ees. Like that's never been done before, at least in Georgia. And like I just kept on seeing it reposted. I was like, fuck.
Yeah, it's about to be lit. It did end up being lit as fuck. And ATL Squid had his meet today too. Dog.
Yo, what's happening? Everybody knows ongo on me.
YouTube money come in one day, this is what's gonna be on the channel for content. Look at how beautiful this thing is. Look at how clean that is. So apparently, the news is that they're about to start kicking everybody out, or like telling people to leave. Maybe. We don't know yet.
I think it's a lie. I don't think it's true. I think they're capping just to get people to leave. It's like, you know when you're like, there's like weirdos at a party, and then you have like, you tell everyone to leave, but like you tell your homies to stay. Just to,
Yeah.
Like, get those fucking, yeah. I think that's what happened.
Yeah, they want the cars like this to leave. The security is stressing. We are officially kicked out. But yeah, basically, I'm not gonna go anywhere right now because if you could see, ain't no point in us getting in the whip. I didn't even get to go inside, bro, to check out what Buc-ee's is like inside. And they told me I couldn't pump gas. This cop right here, Beetlejuice looking at boy, he is so mad. There's literally nowhere for us to go, if you can see. My hand's in the way, but there's nowhere for us to go. And he's like, if you're not in your car, you're not trying hard enough to leave. Like, bro, I gotta get gas. You won't let me get gas. Post meet. That's the Buc-ees over there. And we just came across the street to the Loves. Little off the meet. I don't know, they're probably gonna come over here and just shut this one down too. Stupid ass car. Stupid. Damn, that motherfucker hitting the shit out of it.
Fuck it. Like, look at this.
Y'all think it's so clean on Instagram.
Hey, dude. People on TikTok, they're like, your car's so clean, bro. I'm like,
So clean.
Yeah, sure it is. Sure.
You got a truck motor in there? Holy shit. What we doing, bruh? What we doing?
See, we're about to put this exhaust on here on this 2015 Subaru BRZ.
Here's the master mechanic welder.
Bro, what?
Look at this stance.
I think you're missing.
Hit me up. Hot Boy Girl on Instagram. Polish your pipes.
It's always the car owner that doesn't do shit, bro. I always do that at my house too. Somebody comes help me.
If you
I'd
come
like,
to help me, you are volunteering yourself.
yeah, like I just sit there and I'm like, okay, nice.
Because it's like, I like to be loose. Oh wait, no.
I wish there was like a perfect way to show y'all this, but my door panel just completely came off. I went to go close my door. Look at that. Went to go close my door. The whole entire door panel. Oh, fuck. God damn it, dude. I have no idea how I'm gonna... Dude. I'm gonna have to roll down the window. Pull the whole door. Seems to be becoming a hoopty by the day. But yeah, I know the quality of the video is definitely different on this one, but it was kind of a last minute decision to make this video. So if you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more so you don't miss out on any videos. I appreciate everybody watching.